this green aquascaping channel. So this is unboxing and installation of Chihiro's new stand, which is for WRGB2 and Vivid2 lights. So the packing comes in very unique style. Let me remove this thing. The quality is good. Now you can see there are two holders, and it has some holes behind it, and in later video I will showcase you how to fit the screws into this thing. And these two holders will go into the tank edge, and now we have some accessories, some screws and some wrench to fit it properly. And now we have the stand. This is very sturdy, I can say, and it has two adjustment at the bottom and at the top. And in the later video I will showcase you how to do the adjustments.
So it is like this. We need to fit all the four adjustments through here, and this goes in the tank. And here we have another thing like this. So this is a separate screw which fits into this nut like this, and we can slide it according to our needs. So in this way we can fit this to the tank. And this is an adjustable wrench. We can adjust the height of this panel here.
So as you can see, I have done all the fittings, and now I am going to fit it on my tank and will show you how it will look.